Making H5P Mark the Words questions. Learners access H5P Mark the Words questions by clicking on the link on the course menu. In an H5P Mark the Words activity, a student reads the prompt. In this case, click on the names of the 5 regions of Canada in the paragraph below. The students select what they feel are the 5 regions, and then click on Check to see the result. In this example, there was one incorrect response. The student has the opportunity to retry the activity. To create an H5P Mark the Words question, an instructor must select the Actions menu, then choose Turn Editing On. The course is now in edit mode. In the appropriate topic section, click on the Add an Activity or Resource link. The Add an Activity or Resource pop-up appears with several options. Scroll downwards until you see the H5P option. Select the H5P option. Click on the Add button. The H5P editing screen appears. In the name text field, type in the title of the activity. Scroll down the screen until you see the drop-down menu H5P Hub. Select Content Type. Click on this option. A drop-down menu appears. This drop-down menu displays H5P content types. Choose the option Mark the Words. Under Task Description, click in the text box. Type instructions that describe to the learner how they should solve this question. Then click in the text field text box. Type the text or paste the text in this text field, ensuring that key terms are surrounded by asterisks. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Click on the Save and Display button to see your question. We hope that this video gives you a quick start to developing your own H5P learning objects.